This is the best shot I've ever had of a king parrot. Now it just so happens that today is the first official day of the backyard bird count, and this guy has just landed. That's a scapular feather, that light green. I don't know what he's doing. Now he's landed in my garage. They are incredibly beautiful, are they not? Up here is his mate. No, could be a young one, because you can see the, if you turn around, you can see he's not fully red on the head, so he's still got that bit of camouflage. Talk about Aussie backyard bird count. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So it's an almost adult Australian king parrot. Sitting on my railing on the balcony. And down here, sitting on the milk crate, is the adult. Yeah, like I said, that incredible red, a beautiful green. So, you know, from above they'd be a lot harder to see. And the juveniles don't turn, they're sort of greeny red for quite a while. And then they've got that, yes mate, you're beautiful. And then they've got that scapular light coloured feather. And when I first saw that, I thought that actually another bird had pooped on it from a higher branch. And off they go. Now there's two of them on the gutter just next door. The almost fully fledged but almost adult coloured younger one, and that's mum or dad. I actually can't tell the adults apart. I just think this is so strange that today of all days, the first day of the backyard bird count, this is the first time that I've had two king parrots land so close to me. It's amazing. He's sitting on my barbecue cover. Oh, look, you can see a little bit of blue on the back of the neck. Hello, mate. Hello, you beautiful thing. Yeah, I haven't got anything for you. But if you go and see the lady behind this place, she's got lots of seeds. I don't put seed out for the parrots, because if it attracts the cockies, they'll start tearing my house to pieces like they did with the one across the street. But I do feed some of the carnivores, the insectivores. Just unbelievably beautiful. We'll get some photos. Anyway, there's a king parrot for you. A really good close look. And their voice too. I hope that means have good luck and have a good day. I reckon it does. Bit of blue there under the wing coverts as well. Above the rump there at the base of the tail. Probably my favourite parrot of all. Really? Oh my god, I can't believe how close he is. This is really amazing. I am so taking that as a good omen. Yeah. Look, there's my hand. This is a wild bird. Yeah. I know. Alright, see ya.